Manene Namannegazi. Next week says Blessed Dust again with another hit African show that was released on the 15th of December. The public holiday that was anointed by President Ramaphosa. Okay, now on this show, Bafethu, it's all about singleness during a festive season. The show is about this young lady, Ektiwa Utando, who is a physiotherapist who is going through hardships at finding umuntu or makondana during this festive season. In fact, this one time, during a dinner yantambama, everyone is sharing their happy stories with their relationships. My siblings in particular, in terms of life, why. And then again, I must say, I show in Gobongo in a Chodi Mutakaba Mangat, I now have a boyfriend to Markata. Okay, Ushan Chadam Tanam, Mulete, Galo Usugu, Le Christmas. Skona some Mona Galio Tinuti High, Usman Bane Unayang in bed. Alright, let's give it a piece why the show Sikulumengaye, Gabanzi Ugutsquanzagadan, and the name of the show is Your Christmas. Let's go. So that's it, Bafethu. So sisi ababthembisa ukuthi uzolithola isoka Elisha for a Christmas dinner, which means she has like 24 days to find a suitable lover. So what does she do in this 24 days that are left before Christmas? She downloads Tinder to find a suitable partner. At that time, nakhona umngani wakhe who's the roommate, the straight guy apparently ahlala naye, who's just a platonic friends, bahlala ndawonye, and he helps her with athole umuntu by taking pictures of her, posting them on the net. Selectise abantu laphayana go swipe right and swipe left until I don't even know what Tinder is about. But anyways, she goes on multiple ugly dates. And on this series, Bafethu, there's quite a lot of famous faces as well. Abahamba naye usisi lo Uthando as her potential lovers. She goes for like 4 to 5 dates. Yeah, but in some of these days, makhona futhi abuya thole umuntu osibonga fanana naye who's actually a relative by surname. And upon emsebenzini ngelinye ilanga ahlangane no Hlomla Dandala's character ekuthiwa uMinister Victor. Minister sometimes my minister or commissioner go the river, but anyways, they kind of like hit it off. Especially ngoba usispela physiotherapist osibhedlela leso efikile uHlomla just for a checkup, yabo. At the same time, manda usisi one time ephumile for a night out wahlangana no Mr. Ntobeko Sishi. If you know him rightly, umkhumbula lapha kule show yadlala kulenye channel edumo ku DStv umzatsi Magic as ubani, I think bokulento kumfana lo aka Dlamini. Yes, uTokozo Dlamini. That's the one. Ukhona like the show Bafethu. The show, I think it has like 6 episodes. Episode is like 35-36 minutes. It's quite short. I've only watched half of it so far. And some of the, I haven't watched the last show, the last episode. So again, to divulge a whole lot of things because I also need to leave you guys in suspense. It's quite nice. It's straightforward. I think it's more like Valentine's meets Christmas all together like this. Yeah, but because there is this love story, Esibonaiga Tando on her journey trying to find herself true love, and then there is this whole thing of Christmas spirits going on. It is such a beautiful show. It's a proud South African show, South African cast, South African food, South African setting, South African music. Like the soundtrack of the show, it's just spectacular. Support it because you know the music that is being played, the more we stream it, the more they're also getting their monies, their royalties, and so forth. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this review series Netflix Your Christmas. Please watch it. You're gonna enjoy it. Registration I use PG-13. I do not know why, because there are some steamy sex scenes between this Sishi guy naye ubani usisilo. But hey, we do not know. We shall see. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.